You want to take the princess, don't you?
You will let her go, won't you?
Watch this video to learn more English. Come back after watching the video, will you?
You teach maths, don't you?
She writes books, doesn't she?
He played golf, didn't he?
He swims very well, doesn't he?
Watch this video to learn why the wrong sentences are wrong and why the others are correct.
English is easy. Checking facts. I am right, aren't I? Equals, is this true?
You live in a city, don't you?
She is beautiful, isn't she? He will come, won't he? We want to go on holiday, don't we?
He didn't cook dinner, did he? You cannot cook, can you?
No, I can't, but I can bake.
They're not smoking, are they?
The weather is beautiful, isn't it?
You have never been to Korea, have you?
She has got a car, hasn't she? I am perfect, aren't I? You are a cowboy, aren't you?
Yes, I am. You are a geisha, aren't you?
She is reading a sci-fi book, isn't she?
You are reading sci-fi, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
You ask a lot of questions, don't you?
She doesn't smoke, does she?
You don't smoke, do you?
No, I don't. I vape.
She is beautiful, isn't she?
They eat out every day, don't they?
You eat out every day, don't you?
Yes, we do. We don't cook at home.
You also eat out every day, don't you?
They spend a lot of money on food, don't they?
She is painting a house, isn't she?
You are painting a house, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
The house is strange, isn't it?
The housewife works at home, doesn't she?
You work at home, don't you?
Yes, I do. I am a housewife.
She is busy, isn't she? She is the mother of the year, isn't she?
She is telling the truth, isn't she?
You are lying, aren't you?
I am not lying.
I told you she was not lying, didn't I?
The detective knows everything, doesn't he?
You drank too much last night, didn't you? You drunk called your friends, didn't you? You ate pizza, didn't you? You danced all night, didn't you? You don't smoke, do you? But you smoked a cigar, didn't you? You had to use the toilet 5 times, didn't you? You spent all your money, didn't you? You passed out, didn't you? You ended up in the hospital, didn't you?
Yes, I did all that. None of them is a crime.
They enjoy gardening, don't they?
You enjoy gardening, don't you?
Yes, of course we do. It is our favorite hobby.
Our flowers are beautiful, aren't they?
It is too hot, isn't it?
The pilot has been to many countries, hasn't he?
You have been to many countries, haven't you?
Yes, I have. You ask a lot of questions, don't you?
I am a black cat, aren't I?
My life is interesting, isn't it?
He rides his bike often, doesn't he?
You ride your bike often, don't you?
No, I don't. I prefer walking.
The mountain is beautiful, isn't it?
It is too hot, isn't it?
He has been riding his motorbike, hasn't he?
You have been riding your motorbike, haven't you?
Yes, I have. I have ridden around the mountain.
This monster is very loud, isn't it?
The view is beautiful from up here, isn't it? The opera singer sang in the Sydney Opera House yesterday, didn't she?
You sang in the opera house yesterday, didn't you?
Yes, I did. It was a great success.
You will sing again next week, won't you? I have a ticket in my pocket.
The climber can't climb any higher, can he? He is too tired, isn't he?
You can't climb any higher, can you?
No, I can't. I am too tired.
I am the best climber, aren't I?
He is the best teacher, isn't he?
You are the best biology teacher, aren't you?
No, I am not. But I like to think I am the funniest.
Cats have 9 lives, don't they? It is simple biology.
The car dealer has sold a lot of cars this week, hasn't he?
You have sold a lot of cars this week, haven't you?
Yes, I have. I have sold the most cars in town.
We have different colours, don't we?
The writer has written a lot of books, hasn't he?
You have written a lot of books, haven't you?
Yes, I have. My books are interesting, aren't they?
Let's go out, shall we?
The neighbors don't like his music, do they?
This is terrible, isn't it?
He never gets tired, does he?
I need more practice, don't I?
The builder is building a house, isn't she?
You are building a house, aren't you?
Yes, I am. And I'm good at it, aren't I?
She has got lovely blue eyes, hasn't she?
The cook is cooking soup, isn't he?
You are cooking soup, aren't you?
Yes, I am. My cake is good, isn't it?
Everybody likes fish soup, don't they?
The shop assistant is bored, isn't he?
You are bored, aren't you?
I don't have much work, do I?
Nobody is shopping here, are they?
The karate girl doesn't respect her trainer, does she?
You don't respect your trainer, do you?
I respect him, but I kick him anyway because he likes it.
She kicks hard, doesn't she? She will be a champion, won't she?
The runner is running a marathon, isn't he?
You are running a marathon, aren't you?
Yes, I am. I am fast, aren't I?
We are running fast, aren't we?
Ask questions about these people. She plays the guitar.
She plays the guitar, doesn't she?
She can run a marathon.
She can run a marathon, can't she?
He cannot do 150 push-ups.
He cannot do 150 push-ups, can he?
He is fighting a dragon.
He is fighting a dragon, isn't he?
She can't cook Chinese food.
She cannot cook Chinese food, can she?
She builds sandcastles.
She builds sand castles, doesn't she?
He is doing pull-ups.
He is doing pull-ups, isn't he?
She is riding a motorbike.
She is riding a motorbike, isn't she?
He is surfing.
He is surfing, isn't he?
She has caught a lot of criminals.
She has caught a lot of criminals, hasn't she?
She likes paddling.
She likes paddling, doesn't she?
He played basketball.
He played basketball, didn't he?
I have seen the video. You will let the princess go, won't you?
You are a strong knight, aren't you? You speak English well, don't you? I don't want to fight you. The princess can go now.
You want to dance, don't you?
You enjoyed this video, didn't you? You want to see more videos from me, don't you? You want to learn English, don't you?
Click on the next video. Click now, will you?